Guys, welcome to today's video, and on today's video I'm going to show you how to make use of Clipboard on your Google phone. Now if you are making use of Google Pixel, this is exactly where you find your Clipboard. Now before I start looking for the Clipboard, let me assume I want to actually make use of I want to copy something, so I'm just going to highlight this, have it copied, and then highlight another one, have it copied. So once it's done, you can always see your clipboard. Now to see your clipboard, just go to any text area. I'm just going to go to Twitter, and normally you can just paste what you have right here, but if you cannot see it, yeah, I'm talking about the input area on the text. This text area, this is where I'm talking about. So if you click here, you are going to see different things, and along it you are going to see the first option, which is this area, which is the clipboard. Now if you click on that, you can see everything that I've copied so far. This is actually what I have copied so far. I went on to copy all of this, and then you can see everything right here. So now if I decide to paste the second one, you can notice it display. Now apart from that area, now if you are typing, usually this used to pop up in this it used to pop up in the center while you're typing, but if you cannot see it, just click on this menu, the first one on the right on the text area. Look at your keyboard, the first option or the first icon, click on that, and you are going to see where it actually displays the clipboard icon, which is the first icon after GIF. You click on that and you can see everything. So I hope this is helpful. If you have any issue, let me know on the comment section. I will see you guys on the next one. Stay safe and peace.